Gotta love that cold start, guys, on the M3. That thing sounds crazy. Let's go check it out. All right, now that it finally calmed down, we can start the intro. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. Today, meeting up with the homie EJ with the M8. You guys know Nick. We're gonna meet up with him, the homie Anthony from AA Concepts, the homie Andy, and the homie Mark. We're gonna go to this car meet. Starts at 1 p.m., which is beautiful because I'm tired of waking up early, guys. I'm too tired. My body can't wake up that early anymore. We're gonna go check out this car meet. We're gonna go vlog it, check out all the cool cars for you guys. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, the like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram. Let's go meet up with the homies. I am over the heat, guys. It's 86. We're gonna be at a car meet outside. I'm ready for the winter though. We got the GTS, nice and cool, parked inside. Look who it is. It's been a minute. Oh my God, let me see your haircut. You're funny, bro. Hey, I haven't seen you in a long time, bro. Scragging.
Because you don't like hanging out with me.
Damn, his F80 looks so good though. Hey, how loud is your car now?
No, you gotta hear the pops. Wait till I do those shits. It's ridiculous.
I know, I seen it on IG and stuff, and oh my gosh, I can't wait. I know, I saw a quiet M3. Guys, we're gonna hear Nick's exhaust today. Now you're louder than me, for sure.
It is.
The pops though, what you got for me? Sheesh.
That's what you wanted, right?
Yes, sir.
That's the best sound.
Look at that, delivered to, in person. Nice, frameless mounts, so you can have the magnets on the plate.
What else did I got? Mark's hat?
Let me see.
That's for Mark.
I don't wear hats, but I look weird. I think I look weird wearing hats.
Are you gonna wear it?
Yeah, should I put it on right now?
Yes.
Change right here in front of
Take
everybody?
the kiss off, bro. Who wears kiss? It's all about finding Nick though.
All right, guys, we're gonna roll out. It's gonna be me and Nick for now. Other homies are on the way, but I'm super excited to hear Nick's car with the new setup and the tune that he got. And as you can see, he recently did this front bar grill here in red, which looks pretty sick.
Okay, I'm getting close to that.
Sounds like gun. Oh my God. What the heck? There goes the crank hub. Sheesh. Big homie with the M8. Rich. M2. Nice and lowered as well.
Airport now, I'm taking it.
They're all tripping out. This whole parking lot's gonna be flooded. I think all these little regular cars, oh my bad, not this car, this is an M3, but the other cars are gonna move. I don't want that tail.
It's
Keep
bullshit.
it. Hey, don't put it toward my car. Hey. We got the Corvette Z06.
First Z06.
Got the Aston Martin.
Yeah.
Rich.
Yo, what's
Kevin, how are you?
What's cracking?
Put it there, be
Good, what's
square.
good? Put it there, be square. Mark?
Bro, it's too hot. Gotta install that pretty soon.
Bro, you should
Sheesh.
One more time.
What's good, my guy?
Bro, you're gonna go.
Bro, why are you and Nick always doing that?
You're gonna lose it. Bleach?
One more time.
What's good, my guy?
Good, baby. Let's go. And then
bleach his fucking hair.
Should we bleach our hair too?
But they're silver.
Platinum gray?
Don't make it
Hell
gray.
no.
Orange? Imagine orange?
I'm gonna do drive it gray with gold flakes.
Hey, I'm gonna dye my hair orange.
Yo, I wanna do drive it gray with gold
I'm
flakes.
gonna do orange on my hair. I'm
That's
gonna do
what we're
orange.
doing.
No, that's more like
No,
a
it's like-
champagne.
That's like
Five
blonde. GT3 RS.
It's the first gen.
What color is it? Ultraviolet or something like that?
I don't know.
That shit's fire. This color is sick.
Purple, bro.
Mike with the SVJ. Miami Blue GT3 RS. M4 CS. Lime Rock Gray. M4. Sheesh. The homie Brandon's M4 CS looks super clean. Lime Rock Gray paint, got all the carbon up front, carbon ceramic brakes. It's a fully loaded M4 CS, super clean. It looks really, really good. Perfectly lowered. If I didn't get the GTS, I would have got this M4 CS Lime Rock Gray. This thing is just beautiful. That's a clean G80 M3. Sheesh, with the wing. We got the unicorn wrap. That's crazy.
White and red right there.
Carbon on the fenders, the hood, the lid, the side skirt, diffuser, all that, all the Downstar hardware. Yeah, it's so clean. The yellow headlights, LCI. It's perfect. Sheesh, all over Nick in the GTR. The fire color right there. It's clean. Sheesh, look at the Aventador, back Aventador. We got the Huracan Technica, the last of the Huracans. That's clean. Look at that plate though. It's pretty sick. Supra, that's sick. Look at that E46 M3. Look at the wing on it. That is crazy. Is he gonna wreck? Hey, just do it like 2 times and then that's it.
Yeah, you're good now.
Just do it like 2 times. Oh my, bro. Such a clean color on the GT3. Very nice. Tell me, Andy. Hey! Sheesh!
Oh my God!
Mobbing with the homie Nico. Squad out today. Sheesh. About to go get some food. Which one you guys say? GTR, F80, E9X, C63S. Cheers, y'all.
Yo, chill.
Hey.
Oh my gosh, dude, we got the new GT3 RS.
Oh, it literally looks like a race car.
That is sick.
Yeah, they're both fire.
And a GT3 Touring without the wing. That's pretty sick.